Hello everyone. Today in this tutorial we will learn how to show top n values in a Tableau dashboard. So for example, suppose I have a product list, okay, which have like uh, a lot of product name based on their sales value or basically the sales corresponding to those products. Now if I want the user to enter a number, for example, if the user entered top 10, then only the 10 products will show up which have the highest sale value, right? And similarly, if the user changes that 10 to 25, then this table should change accordingly, and it will show the top 25 product based on the sales, right? So we can do this using sets, but in that case, it will not be user interactive, or user cannot change like top 10 or top 25. It will only be defined based on the value that you will set in the set, okay, that you will create. So for example, I have this set already created called as product name set. And if you'll see here, the condition that I have given is top 10 by sales. Okay. Now, if I drag this in the filter pane, okay, it will give me the top 10 product based on the sales. But here there is no user interaction. User cannot change this 10 to 25 or 10 to 20, right? So for that, we'll have to use parameters. Okay. So how to do that? Let's go through it. First step is creating a parameter. Okay. I will give this as name as top n. Data type will be integer. Let's give the current value as 5. Okay. And then show parameter. So by default, you will see here the value is 5, which I gave while creating the parameter. Okay. Now, if I change it, you can see nothing is happening because this parameter is not linked to the set, right? So for this, what I need to do is again go to the set, edit the set, and here in top, where I had top 10, right? This number I will replace with the parameter that I created, the parameter, that top n parameter that I created. So just click on it, apply. Okay. Now bring this product name set again into the filter pane. Okay. So here you can see, since 10 is selected, you can see the 10 products. Now let's change it to 5. Okay. So you can see now you can only see 5 products. Similarly, if you change it to 25, you'll see the top 25 product based on sale. So this is how dynamically, or getting the user input, you can change the top n in a Tableau code. Thank you so much. This is all about uh, this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment box. Thank you.